Unlock the mystery of Moondance, a journey into English idioms. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the lyrical world of English idioms with the phrase, moondance. It's not just a fancy term but a beautiful expression that weaves together culture, art, and language. So, get ready to add another sparkling phrase to your English vocabulary. At first glance, moondance seems to be about dancing under the moon, right? But let's dig a little deeper. Moondance can be interpreted in many ways. It can refer to an actual dance under the moonlight, symbolizing romance and beauty. However, it also has a metaphorical sense, representing a feeling of ecstasy or a celebration of life during nighttime events. The word moondance carries a whimsy and enchantment, often evoking a sense of freedom and joy. The phrase, moondance, was popularized by the famous song of the same name by Van Morrison, released in 1970. The song's magical and upbeat tempo brought the term into the spotlight, giving it a romantic and carefree connotation. Cultural references like this show how art and language influence each other, making moondance a part of English idiomatic expressions. How can you use moondance in conversation? While it's not a common colloquial phrase, it can be used to describe a perfect evening or a moment of happiness under the night sky. For instance, the couple shared a moondance on their wedding night, right on the beach. It's a poetic way to add flair to your language. Beyond everyday conversation, moondance often finds its way into literature and arts. Authors might use it to paint a scene filled with mystique or to indicate a character's connection with nature. In movies or plays, a moondance scene could be a pivotal moment of character development or plot progression. This shows the versatility and expressive potential of the term. Moondance is more than just an idiom. It's a cultural icon that embodies romance, joy, and the beauty of the night. I hope this video has illuminated the phrase, moondance, for you, and perhaps, it'll inspire you to find your own moondance moment. Keep exploring the richness of the English language, and until next time, keep the dance alive under the moonlit sky.